With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, vinyl chloride shows resonance. Draw all of its resonating structures. Over here, we are supposed to draw all the resonating structures of vinyl chloride, right? So first of all, we'll see what is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride has a structure like this. We have CH2 double bond CH, and then at vinylic position we have chlorine attached to it, right? So this is our vinyl chloride. Now in this case we can have resonance. How? Because we are having a condition of double bond, single bond, and lone pair. Because chlorine we know is halogen, right? One electron is involved in bonding, so it's gonna have 3 lone pairs because it has total of 7 valence electrons. So 6 would be present as 3 lone pairs and 1 would be involved in bonding. So in this case we are getting a condition of double bond, single bond, and lone pair, right? So we can have resonance over here, right? So what is basically resonance? Resonance is basically, this is a method of describing the delocalized electron in the same molecule where bonding can't be clearly expressed in single structure, right? So this is basically a method of describing the delocalized electrons, right, where bonding can't be clearly expressed in single structure. So in this case what can happen is that first of all this double bond can be shifted over here, right? And hence what kind of possible structure we can have? We can have CH2 positive charge, then single bond, then we're gonna have CH, then double bond chlorine, right? Now over here chlorine would get a negative charge, right? So this is one possibility that we can have from this structure. So we can say this is our resonating structure, right, like this, right? So we can have CH2 positive charge, CH double bond, Cl negative. This is one possibility. And another possibility can be when this lone pair shifts over here and this double bond gets shifted over here. So we can have a structure like this. We can have CH2 with a negative charge, then CH, then double bond chlorine with the positive charge. Now chlorine is getting positive charge because it is donating its electron pair to this, right? And hence this would get a positive charge, whereas this over here is getting this double bond or pi bond, right? And hence this is getting negative charge over here. So this is our second possibility. So we can say that we have total of 1, 2 and 3 resonating structures possible for vinyl chloride, right? So these are the resonating structures.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.